Achieving the PSM Professional Scrum Master I certification is a valuable accomplishment for Agile project management professionals. With a solid understanding of the Scrum framework, theory, and principles, as well as the role of a Scrum Master, individuals can lead successful Scrum teams and deliver value to their organizations. Share some PSM exam dumps questions here. 1. What is the tactic a Scrum Master should use to divide a group of 100 people into multiple development teams? A. Create teams based on their skills across multiple layers, such as database, UI, etc. B. Ask the product owner to assign the people to teams. C. Ask the developers to divide themselves into teams. 2. Which outcome is expected as Scrum teams mature? A. They will improve their definition of done to include more stringent criteria. B. The sprint retrospectives will grow to be longer than 4 hours. C. There is no need for a time-boxed sprint, since time boxes are only for new Scrum teams. D. Sprint reviews will no longer be needed. E. A Scrum Master is no longer needed since they are a mature team now. 3. When is it most appropriate for a development team to change the definition of done? A. During spring planning. B. Prior to starting a new sprint. C. During the sprint retrospective. D. Prior to starting a new project. 4. Who should know the most about the progress toward a business objective or a release? A. The project manager. B. The Scrum Master. C. The development team. D. The product owner. 5. The product owner must release each increment to production. A. When it makes sense. B. To make sure the development team is done every sprint. C. Whenever the product is free of defects. D. Without exception. 6. What is the time box for the sprint planning meeting? A. 4 hours for a monthly sprint. B. 8 hours for a monthly sprint. C. Monthly. D. Whenever it is done. 7. Which 2 things should the development team do during the first sprint? Choose 2. A. Make up a plan for the rest of the project. B. Analyze, describe, and document the requirements for the subsequent sprints. C. Develop at least one piece of functionality. D. Analyze, design, and describe the complete architecture and infrastructure. E. Create an increment of potentially releasable software. 8. Why does the product owner want the development team to adhere to its definition of done? A. To have complete transparency into what has been done at the end of each sprint. B. To be able to reprimand the team when they don't meet their velocity goal for the sprint. C. To know what the team will deliver over the next 3 sprints. D. To predict the team's productivity over time. 9. Which are not appropriate topics for discussion in a sprint retrospective? Choose all that apply. A. Definition of done. B. How the team does its work. C. Team relations. D. The value of work currently represented in the product backlog. E. Arranging the sprint backlog for the next sprint. 10. A Scrum Master is keeping a list of open impediments, but it is growing and she has been able to resolve only a small portion of the impediments. Which 3 techniques would be most helpful in this situation? Choose 3. A. Consulting with the development team. B. Prioritizing the list and working on them in order. C. Arranging a triage meeting with all project managers. D. Alerting management to the impediments and their impact.